Welcome to the office tour. So today I'm going to show you the office that I'm working in from time to time. I don't sit here as often as I used to do, but I'll might as well show you it anyways because it's a pretty cool office. I'm currently out helping another company with some stuff, so that's why I'm not sitting here. But I used to sit here a lot. So here's the entrance. It's a pretty big door. Toilet. Here is a meeting room. A whiteboard for making big plans on. A nice view out to the avenue. A tram just passed. So yeah, this big door here is to the developer room, which I will show you in a second. Here's the kitchen, by the way. I will show more of it later. So here's the developer room. Here's where I used to sit. Not very often nowadays, though. I'm here today actually because I'm going to help with some. I'm going to write a graphical application for this Raspberry Pi with a touchscreen, and this will sit on a bike actually. So I'm going to develop some live map thing on it so that you can see where you are, and sort of like a navigator to have on your bike. Cool stuff. So here's the view again from this room. As you can see the avenue from here as well. There's another tram passing by. The avenue in Gothenburg. So, as of now, there are a couple guys here that is running a startup that is sitting here. But no one is here today because it's Saturday. It's just me here. Here's the HR room. It's a pretty cool room with a sofa and TV. It's not a very nice view here though. It's they are rebuilding some stuff out there. I don't really know what they're doing, but here's some nice decorations. Here is where my boss sits. So this is his room, I guess. Huge lamp. Big fancy sofa with some paintings. I think that is whiskey, I don't know. Probably. Not a very nice view here as of now. But I think once they're done outside there, it will probably be a very pretty view out from this windows. And he likes to play music, so he has some instruments over there. Yeah, pretty cool room. All right, next up is the laboratory room, which is where we fiddle with mechanics and assemble stuff. There's also a startup here that is creating their own bikes and selling them through his web site. So that's pretty cool. And here is some virtual reality stuff that you can play with if you have some spare time. And a gaming computer over there. and also a whiteboard here for making plans and stuff. And here's something that I have been working on, actually. I don't know if I'm allowed to tell you what it is, but this is how it looks like. This is what it looks like, and yeah, it's something, all right. It's a Raspberry Pi is actually involved in that project as well. Here's a book, very important book. I don't know what it's. A must read for anyone who wants to start a mobile app business. Right, cool. Here's a 3D printer. Cool. Here's some aeroponic stuff, I think. Yeah, there's like a little plant in there. Cool. I have not been involved in that project, so I don't know what it is. Here's a synth with some chords. Cool. And yeah, that's basically it. Here's like a little meeting room, or if you want to talk, or if you're talking in the phone and you don't want to be disturbed, you can go in here. So yeah, and here's a toilet. I don't know if that is interesting, but I guess everyone knows how a toilet looks like. And yeah, another toilet and a shower. And here is a room that is actually rented out to other companies sometimes. There was a company in here before, but they moved. I don't know, I don't remember where they moved, but they used to be in here. Oh, I think I actually heard this one spray right now. There's like an automatic spraying device in it that like sprays chemicals on the plant for it to grow. I don't know exactly how it works, but I heard it spray. Cool. There's like a timer on it, so it sprays once in a while to keep the plants growing. So yeah, if we go here, here's like a nice little table in the hallway. And if we go here to the kitchen, you can see there's an ice cream freezer here. They usually keep this one filled up with ice cream at all times. So yeah, I don't really eat ice cream, so not for me. Here is a sofa in the kitchen. There's the kitchen table. And here is the fridge. Here's the oven and the sink and all of that stuff. Here's the coffee machine. It's a very professional coffee machine. Yeah, I like the coffee from this one actually. It's pretty good. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. Yeah, I'm sorry for not having published a lot of videos recently, but there's more coming. I will remake the whole Python web application tutorial series because people have commented that the font was too small and stuff like that. So not everyone has been able to follow up or follow the tutorials. So I will keep the old videos, but I will redo everything in a more professional way. When I recorded those videos, I had just gotten my Linux setup working, and well, everything was a bit of a mess. So yeah, I will remake all of those. Yeah, there is more content coming. As I think I've told you this actually, but I don't really have a schedule for posting videos. I post videos when I have something interesting to show you. For example, now The Office. I have been working here for a while, but I haven't really had the time to do any videos. But yeah, I thought this video might be a little bit interesting to show you guys where I am every day. Not every day. I'm not actually here every day any longer, but I used to be here every day. So I actually spend most of the time at another office, but I don't know if I can if I'm able to record anything there. So, and that office isn't very interesting as well. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll hope you guys have a great day and stay tuned for more.